Welcome to our review of the Audien Atom Pro 2, the world's most affordable hearing aids. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about these revolutionary devices. From their advanced A2 chip for crystal clear sound to their 24-hour battery life, we'll explore why the Audien Atom Pro 2 is a game changer for anyone with mild to moderate hearing loss. Let's get started. What is Audien Atom Pro 2? The Audien Atom Pro 2 is the latest innovation in over-the-counter hearing aids from Audien Hearing. Designed to deliver premium, crystal-clear sound, these affordable hearing aids offer a seamless experience for users with mild to moderate hearing loss. Enjoy high-quality sound and comfort at a fraction of the cost of traditional hearing aids. Five features of Audien Atom Pro 2. Crystal clear sound quality. Equipped with the advanced A2 chip, the Audien Atom Pro 2 delivers crystal clear sound. This technology enhances auditory experiences by providing brilliant amplified sound, ensuring you hear every detail without distortion. 24-hour battery life. The Atom Pro 2 offers an impressive 24-hour battery life on a single charge. This means you can enjoy uninterrupted, improved hearing all day long without the hassle of frequent recharging. Advanced noise cancellation. The hearing aids feature advanced background noise cancellation, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Whether you're in a noisy environment or a quiet setting, the Atom Pro 2 ensures clear and comfortable listening. Affordable and cost-effective. Unlike traditional hearing aids, the Audien Atom Pro 2 is available at a fraction of the cost. By eliminating middlemen, Audien provides high-quality hearing solutions directly to consumers, saving you thousands of dollars. Comfortable and discreet design. The Atom Pro 2 comes with soft silicone ear tips in various sizes for a perfect fit. Its 90% smaller, lightweight design makes it almost invisible and extremely comfortable for all-day wear. Why we love Audien Atom Pro 2. Affordable, saves you thousands compared to traditional hearing aids. No doctor visits, over-the-counter, no prescriptions needed. Comfortable fit, soft silicone ear tips for all-day comfort. User-friendly, simple settings for easy use. Direct purchase, no middlemen, reducing costs. How does Audien Atom Pro 2 work? Audien Atom Pro 2 utilizes the advanced A2 chip to provide brilliant amplified sound and reduce ringing in the ears. Designed for users with mild to moderate hearing loss, it delivers 24 hours of crystal clear hearing on a single charge. By eliminating middlemen, Audien offers these high-quality hearing aids directly to you, ensuring affordability and convenience. Why should you choose Audien Atom Pro 2? Choose Audien Atom Pro 2 for its unparalleled combination of quality and affordability. Enjoy crystal clear sound, advanced noise cancellation, and 24-hour battery life without the need for expensive doctor visits or bulky, outdated hearing aids. With a perfect fit for all-day comfort and lifetime hearing support, Atom Pro 2 is the ideal solution for better hearing at a fraction of the cost. Audien Atom Pro 2 price and amp packages. Discover the best deals on Audien Atom Pro 2 with our exclusive packages. Single pair. Get one pair for just $189, with free shipping included. Perfect for those seeking an affordable and effective hearing solution. 2 pairs. Buy one pair and get the second at 50% off for $283.50, retail $378. Save $94.50 and enjoy free shipping. Ideal for couples or as a spare set. 3 pairs. Buy 2 pairs and get one free for only $378, retail $567. Save $189 with free shipping, the best value for families or long-term use. Audien Atom Pro 2 user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thanks for watching our review of the Audien Atom Pro 2, the world's most affordable hearing aids. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're ready to experience crystal clear sound and save thousands, check out the links in the description to purchase your own pair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences to share.